we are catching the ferry home. In the last video, we walked the Benjamin Franklin Bridge. We are now being smart. Instead of walking it back, we're getting on the ferry.
Tiny little water bottle. I've never seen one like it. You hear me? Like a drink.
Like a drink?
You know, like a whiskey or
like a shot,
Booze,
yeah.
whatever they are. But it was a water bottle.
Oh, that's funny.
Look, there's another one. You missed it. Oh.
They're probably coming from the Spruce Harbor. Yeah.
nice day.
You too. I'm gonna stick around. I just want to capture this side.
Oh yeah, I swam across here.
Did you?
Well, up a little further, past the Walt Whitman.
And you're still here?
Long time ago.
And you're still here? I said, and you're still here with all the stuff in this water?
What are we going to do?
Yeah. How long did it take you?
I don't know. My buddy was beside me with a little raft. Not long. Not long. I swam with the tide going this way. I started here, but I ended up over here. Just think what's in the air.
True. Very true.
I'm sure I took a couple mouthfuls. Let's see, that was probably 45 years ago, 40 years ago.
40 years. Wow. How old were you?
17, 16.
That sounds about right. That sounds about the stuff that we did when we were at that age.
But when my dad was swimming in it, he said that parts of Camden where Campbell's Soup was, the river would turn red.
Oh, wow.
The tomato out. Up the road too, they had a leather factory. They would dump all the skin.
I heard about the leather factory. They had like a dumping, like it was a whole thing. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, my poppy and uncles and all, they worked on the engineers.
Wow.
Marine division.
Okay.
I tried it, but I tried to tugboats up in New York City for the garbage scouts. I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
I was away from my wife.
Oh, yeah.
Kids were young. My relief wouldn't show up. I'd have to do 3 weeks on.
Oh, no, I don't think that's good.
Now, have you taken this before?
Yeah.
You got to go downstairs to get off?
Yes, you have to go downstairs.
Oh, yeah, it's some contract, right? What's the next boat down? Every hour?
I think they're every hour or every half hour.
You ever been on the Staten Island Ferry?
No, I haven't.
It's free.
Yeah. Is it nice?
Huh?
Is it nice?
I don't know. It's a ferry. But it's big, right? It's huge. 10 times the size.
There's a ferry in Puerto Rico that goes from San Juan over to the Bacardi plant.
Oh, wow.
And it's really nice. But it, like the move, oh my God. You could like be... They do have downstairs where it's air conditioned in case you don't want to be in the heat. Have a good day.
Thank you.
And this is the smartest thing I could have done because I don't think I would have made it walking back across the bridge. So in the previous video, I walked the Benjamin Franklin Bridge celebrating its 100th birthday. And coming back, I just couldn't do it. So here we are, Penn's Landing, and there's Camden. Thank you. This is the ticket booth from this side of it. It's 12 for adults, 10 for children, 10 for senior citizens, free for infants. If I had any energy left in my legs, I would go to Liberty Point, but oh, they're closed. Oh, well, there you go. But I don't think my legs could have taken those steps. Well, the camera's about to die. I will keep recording until it dies. And I hope you enjoyed that ferry ride over from Camden back to Philly.
That's actually where my prom was.
We could do it, guys. We could do it.
I feel like that's what I'm saying to my camera. You could do it. You can do it. Let's see if we can get to the big red share. It's still early, so a lot of things are closed down here.
Okay, yeah,
Another walk down my friend. Thanks for walking with me. Until next time, it's goodbye, my friend. Hit that follow, and we'll walk together again soon. Same good energy, stay lifted, stay curious, and keep walking with me.